Welcome to Daily News Headlines September 13, 2023. Headline number 1. Inflation quickens in August. Prices rose faster overall in August, driven higher by a bump in fuel costs. The U.S. Consumer Price Index rose 3.7% on annual basis, quicker than July's rate of 3.2% and the 3.6% expected by economists. The increase was led by gasoline prices, which jumped 10.6% last month from July. When stripping out higher fuel and food costs, however, the gauge increased an annual 4.3%, slower than 4.7% in the prior month. On a monthly basis, core prices rose 0.3% compared with 0.2% in July, also faster than the 0.2% forecast. The Federal Reserve, which sets interest rates again next week, has raised its benchmark target 11 times since last March to rein in prices. Headline number 2. Binance. U.S. CEO makes surprise exit. Binance. U.S. CEO Brian Schroeder has left the company. His departure comes at an already tumultuous time for the crypto trading platform, which is cutting more than 100 roles, a third of its staff, amid heightened scrutiny from U.S. regulators. Earlier this summer, Binance laid off more than 1,000 staffers globally as the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission accused Binance Holdings, its founder and CEO Changpeng Zhao and Binance U.S. with mishandling customer funds, misleading investors and regulators, and breaking securities rules. All have denied the allegations. Binance and Zhao were also charged with willful evasion of federal law by the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission in March. Headline number 3. Citi restructures, preps job cuts. Citigroup announced a restructuring plan on Wednesday, which CEO Jane Fraser says will cut down management layers and speed up decisions. Amid a stock slump, the New York-based lender plans to operate from 5 main businesses, shedding 2 core units focused on institutional clients and consumer offerings. The shakeup will result in a number of job cuts, though there is not yet a clear number, Bloomberg reports, citing unnamed sources. Citi has grappled with a roughly 40% stock drop since Fraser took the helm in March 2021. Headline number 4. Apple unveils iPhone 15 changes. Apple confirmed at its annual event Tuesday that the iPhone 15 will indeed feature a significant change: a universal USB-C charging port. Still, it's clear Apple wants to keep its higher-end phones, which have become increasingly important to the company's bottom line, at center stage. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are seeing some of the line's most significant new features, with faster chips, lightweight titanium casing and, on the Pro Max only, a souped-up telephoto camera lens. The iPhone 15 will start at $799, while the iPhone 15 Pro starts at $999, both in line with their predecessors. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will be $1,199 to $100 more than the 14 Pro Max. The Apple Watch Series 9 and new Apple Watch Ultra will also feature faster chips. Both products will be carbon neutral, and Apple says all of its products will be carbon neutral by 2030. Headline number 5. BP's chief resigns amid probe. BP's chief executive, Bernard Looney, has resigned after acknowledging he had failed to fully disclose the extent of past personal relationships with colleagues. The oil giant said an investigation into the matter is continuing. Looney became CEO in 2020 following a lifelong career with the 113-year-old energy major. He led a green transition in the industry with pledges to cut BP's own emissions to net zero by 2050 and increase investments in low-carbon projects. Fact of the day. After Mexico's presidential election, each branch of its government will be led by a woman. Thanks for watching.